In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your payment method on Amazon. Whether you're updating an expired card or simply want to switch to a different payment option, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's dive right in and get you sorted. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once there, you'll need to ensure that you're logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and enter your login details to access your account. This is essential because you won't be able to modify any account details without being logged in. Now that you're on Amazon's homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Account and List menu. It's easily recognizable by its drop-down arrow. Click on it and a menu will appear with a variety of options related to your account settings. From this menu, select the Account option. This will take you to a new page dedicated to managing your account preferences and settings. It's essentially your control center for everything related to your Amazon account. On the account page, look for the Your Payments option. Clicking this will lead you to a section specifically designed for managing your payment methods. This page showcases all the cards and payment options currently linked to your account. Once you're in the Your Payments section, you'll see a list of all your existing payment methods. You can now select the method you wish to change. If you're updating details for an existing card, you can usually edit the information directly. This might include updating the expiration date or changing billing details. Alternatively, if you're adding a new payment method, look for the option to add a new card or payment account. As you make these changes, ensure that all the details you enter are correct. Double-check card numbers, expiration dates, and billing addresses to avoid any hiccups during future purchases. It's also a good opportunity to remove any outdated or unused payment methods from your account to keep things tidy. And that's it. You've successfully changed your payment method on Amazon. It's as simple as that. Now, every time you make a purchase, your new payment method will be ready to use. I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to follow. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, Amazon's customer service is available to help further. Thanks for watching and happy shopping on Amazon.